Why don't you come on in here and tell everyone about the exciting work that you and your team are doing at EmotionTrac?
Okay, can you hear me okay?
We can, yep.
All right, let me share my screen so I can set up my presentation. Okay, so I'm Aaron. I'm the founder and CEO of EmotionTrac. Thanks for coming out today to listen to three great companies that are on Netcapital, and you can obviously see our offering there. So what we have built is an AI-powered platform that delivers actionable insights to understand consumer behavior. And this is used for advertisers in one of our verticals that we market to, and the market that we market to is attorneys in the legal space. And to simply state what we do is we've created a way, an easy, fast, and affordable way where advertisers can test their ads before they spend money on advertising with real people and get their emotional reaction second by second to what they're watching to those ads. So that could help for Super Bowl ads. Imagine, some of the ads that you see, oh, that wasn't such a great ad. Imagine if they had tested that beforehand, they would have been able to edit the video and make sure it resonated with their audiences. And lawyers are using us as a case strategy tool, almost like a mock jury or a focus group. And they're getting these insights, and we're helping them by delivering data that shows how people are reacting to their stories about their client cases, and then they're able to use that to leverage negotiation, settlement, mediation, and so forth. We have an award-winning solution in both the creative market and in the political market. We have 3 patents issued. I'm going to go through this quickly because I have a video at the end to show. These are all issued and, patents. It's the emotional artificial intelligence market is exploding. Being able to understand how people react by measuring their microfacial expressions, their sentiments, whether they're angry or sad, is an exploding market. People understand the value of the data, and it's just a huge market. And this market is only for emotional AI. We're not even talking about the legal market. So our solution can be used in multiple $100 billion markets. And we have a commercial product, we have clients, and we're starting to chip away one at a time as we can expand based on how much investment capital we have and as we grow the company. To date, we have over 100 clients served. Some notable clients are right here. We have testimonials from our clients. They have satisfactory results that basically interpret into results for their clients. These are meaningful data that are deliver and insights that are actionable and deliver meaningful results, big results sometimes. And we also have it on the creative side as well. We were speaking to a Fortune 100 company that used us, a chocolate brand. I can't mention their name, but they had 4 different advertisements for a new campaign. They were slightly different. They tested all 4 to see which one they were going to actually run a national television commercial. We gave them insights. They ended up taking commercial number 2 and edited from some of the information from commercial number 3. They pieced it together based on our data. And they told us that it was the best performing ad in their history. And they were able to see a 10-point increase on the campaign results. We have a stellar team of people that have been involved in all different walks of life, different industries. Altogether, everybody involved in their career has been involved in well over $20 billion in mergers and acquisitions, and are very excited to be a part of EmotionTrac. We're just getting started out of COVID, and we're already seeing growth and traction. Again, we're in a market where there's either little or no competition. Like Greg had mentioned, it's a new concept for, launch cart. We actually also are going into a market where people haven't used a solution like this. So we're educating, we're doing mission work, and we're starting to get some traction, and we're really excited. It's a high margin business. So as soon as this thing is ramping up, this is going to be very profitable, which will mean a great return on investment for our investors. I'm going to play a video now. Let me know, Thomas, if you can hear the audio, okay?
Yep, Aaron, if you could adjust that, we can't hear it just yet.
You can't hear it? Okay, I gotta always figure out how to
I
share
think you
that.
need, yeah, share and then click that little button that says share audio.
Oh, yeah,
There,
yeah, there you
there's
go.
there's a toggle button when you do that.
It is not letting me click it. I don't know why. Hmm. All right. Anyway, you know what? That video is available on the Netcapital offering page in EmotionTrac. It talks about, we have two videos that talk about our legal market and our advertising market. So please go to the Netcapital offering page on EmotionTrac, and they're 2-minute videos. They're eye-opening.
No, really appreciate that, Aaron. And actually, to the legal point, someone asked because it's a pretty big deal about the American Bar Association representing 700,000 plus U.S. attorneys, and they voted EmotionTrac as one of the top 5 new technology that were introduced in the legal system. Can you talk about that? That seems to be a big deal.
It is a big deal. I mean, we were at an event where I think there were 15,000 attorneys at this event, and where this award ceremony was held, and people voted for us. And it wasn't just the 15,000. There were any of those 700,000 attorneys were able to dial in or call in or email their votes. So we were there. We presented. We gave a pitch. We told them what we're doing, and we were, like I said, voted in the top 5. It is a big deal.
That's a huge deal. And then next question coming in, if you could really look at, the top 3 priorities of EmotionTrac this year, what does that look like in 2024?
Okay, so it's obviously we were looking to grow revenue. That's really our main focus, and we're getting more traction now. We actually saw our booked order business grow 600% year over year in December and January, for the 2 months, December and January, over the same period last year. So a lot of use of the capital that's going to be coming in is to increase our marketing and sales efforts. In the legal space, lawyers are, it's a very one-on-one relationship. You have to call them, you have to meet them at conferences. There's a cost of acquisition there, and developing those relationships. But once you have a relationship, I mean, some of these lawyers, and I can mention one of them, Morgan and Morgan, we've been doing work with their individual attorneys, and they have close to 1,000 attorneys. They just signed on with us for a company-wide pilot program, and if that works out well, I mean, this can make our company value, skyrocket.
Yeah. No, and Morgan & Morgan, they're the largest, is it the injury law firm in the country?
They're the largest personal injury law firm, but we also have secured a pilot program with one of the top global civil law firms in the world as well. So we're agnostic to personal injury. We've had criminal attorneys use us. We've had civil. We've had sexual harassment, employment, habitation. The platform can be used for anything.
Got it. No, it's always good when companies are agnostic and can move in a bunch of different areas. So, Aaron, that's great. And then the last question that we have time for right now is 3 people want to know just a little bit more about David, your partner, and his background.
So David actually was an early investor in the company. He started out as CFO. He's not a partner in the company, but then again, all our partners, everyone's a partner, because we have many shareholders through our crowdfunding campaign. So I consider everybody a partner. When you invest in EmotionTrac, you become a partner in EmotionTrac. David's background is he came from the world of the small cap business, taking companies public, the micro cap business. He saw a need to help those companies grow by creating these spreadsheets and these strategy documents. So he's been very helpful in our investor relations. And that's how he spends most of our time, on investor relations and strategy.
I really appreciate that and diving into those questions, and we'll be back with you shortly.
Wonderful.